Hello, traders. Welcome back to the daily forecast. Today's rundown will cover the key highlights from November 14, 2024, and what we can expect in the Forex market tomorrow. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the game, stick around. We're diving into currency trends, significant moves, and the technical analysis that should be on your radar for November 15th. Alright, let's start with a quick rundown of what went down in today's session. The Forex market saw some decent action, especially with the dollar strengthening against some of its major counterparts. Let's dig into the highlights, starting with the euro to US dollar pair. The euro faced some downward pressure, mostly due to weaker than expected economic data out of the eurozone and continued uncertainty around future European Central Bank policy. Traders reacted by steering toward the dollar for some safety, causing the euro to US dollar pair to dip by roughly 0.3%. The pound has also been struggling lately as Britain grapples with some less than optimistic economic projections. Today, the pound slipped around 0.2% against the dollar, with traders wary of the UK's economic stability going into next year. The yen took another hit as the dollar gained traction. This was fueled by relatively positive US retail sales data and a slight uptick in Treasury yields, which supported the greenback. We saw the US dollar to Japanese yen pair climb approximately 0.5% on the day, hovering around a recent high. Now, let's look at the charts and see what the technicals indicate for tomorrow. The euro to US dollar pair closed today below the 1.0800 level, which is a significant psychological barrier. On the daily chart, the 50-day moving average has been drifting downward, hinting at potential continuation of this bearish trend. However, there's strong support around 1.0750, so watch for any break below that level. A breach could signal a more extended downtrend. For the pound sterling to US dollar pair, technical indicators show the pound is nearing oversold territory, especially with the RSI approaching the 30 mark on the 4-hour chart. This could mean a short-term bounce, but any move upward might be limited unless we see positive economic surprises from the UK. Moving on to the US dollar to Japanese yen pair, the dollar-yen's bullish trend looks solid, with the pair trading comfortably above its 100-day moving average. If we break above the resistance level around 151.00, we might see a stronger rally in the short term. Let's break down the factors that could influence the Forex market on November 15th. Tomorrow, traders should keep a close eye on US initial jobless claims and a Fed official speech scheduled for the afternoon. Any strong data supporting a hawkish Fed could push the dollar higher, especially if it adds to the case for more interest rate hikes. Over in Europe, concerns about inflation and slower growth are keeping the pressure on the euro. Traders will be analyzing any comments from ECB officials for clues on rate policy. If there's a dovish tone, expect further weakness in the euro. Global risk sentiment remains cautious, with investors focused on the potential for slower growth globally. Any shifts here could impact safe haven currencies like the yen and the Swiss franc, especially if we see any geopolitical developments. Alright, traders, if you're looking to make some moves tomorrow, here are some strategy points to keep in mind. A cautious sell approach could be warranted if the euro continues to lose steam. But if the pair rebounds to the 1.0800 mark, look for potential short-term resistance there. Consider a range-bound strategy with stops and limits in place. Any news about the UK's economic outlook could impact this pair, so stay alert. With the dollar on a roll against the yen, trend traders might want to wait for a breakout above 151.00 to ride the upward momentum. But always be mindful of sudden pullbacks, especially around key resistance. That wraps up today's forecast, folks. Remember, in Forex, preparation and timing are everything. Stay on top of the market, keep refining your strategies, and be mindful of the big picture. And if you're getting value out of these daily recaps, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to making smart, well-timed trades tomorrow. Happy trading!